Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to do curry pork rib. And these are the ingredients that you need. 1 pound of spare rib, 1 pound of potato, 2 onion or 1 big one if you have, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot, and then you need cornstarch, curry powder, sugar, salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, oil, and water. My rib has been washed, so I'm going to cut the rib into little, see there's a bone in between, so just cut into little pieces. Try to get the fat out and the tough skin. The rib has been cut off into little pieces. I'm going to marinate with a half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it. After it's mixed, let it sit for 15 minutes or more. I'm mincing 1 cloves of garlic, and now we're going to use it to pan fry the spare rib. The pan is hot. Add a little bit of oil, and I am cooking in medium heat. Add the 1 clove of minced garlic. Let it cook it to golden brown, but it's not quite. Okay, when it's see, like the color changed, so that's a good sign. So you have to try to get both sides to golden brown to lock in the moisture in the meat. Try not to get it to the bottom. Try to scrape everything off and turn the spare rib if you can. The color of both sides has changed. So now I can just add in some water. Curry stick to my spatula, so, and also try to scrape off everything that is on the bottom. Now I am going to cover it and let's cook it for 10 minutes. Okay, I peel all the vegetable. Now I need to cut it. Just cut into 3 like big pieces. One cloves of garlic. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and it looks like this. Now I am going to transfer this to the pot to cook. And I am going to use also medium heat for now and cover it back. On this pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I did not wash it, okay? And just put in this. Put in the garlic. And put in the carrot and then potato all at once. Get it to golden brown also. My vegetable is like golden brown, so I am going to add it to the pot of the curry. Add it in here. So over here is after I add in the other ingredients, little dry, so I'm just stirring it for now. And I am going to add some water. I'm going to add it to cover the ingredient, because the potato and the carrot will soak in the water, so it's like, okay, like that. And I'm going to turn the heat to high. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of curry powder, tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of soy. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. And now that it is boiling, I'm going to turn the heat back to medium, because right now it's on high. Cook it for 5 minutes, and then I will check the texture. It's been 5 minutes, and let me check the texture of the potato and other stuff. No, the potato is not ready yet. Just cover it for another 5 minutes. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. It's been 5 minutes. And let's check. Break the bottom. And it's already thickened enough. Potato is cooked. If you pour in too much water and too liquidy, you can put cornstarch. But I don't need cornstarch, so you don't have to. So I never put cornstarch in here at all. So it's just the potato. When it's cooked, it just becomes thicker and thicker. And it goes really delicious with rice or noodle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.